Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Night everyone. Honorable Mr. Muslikan, English Lecturer of Physical Education, Health and Recreation Department. Respectable all my friend whom we love. In this beautiful occasion, we are from Group 2. My name is November Akbarabron as moderator. And Bernisa Ritmanora Izati, presenter 1. And Puspa Ayu Amreh Lestari as presenter 2. And Fardi Ramadhani as presenter 3. And Dharma Wicaksono as presenter 4. Sorry. And the last, Yusta Octavia Devista as presenter 5. We are going to present an article review entitled "The Effect of Adapted Physical Education Session on the Empathy of Female Students with Overweight." For all presenters, time is yours.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, now I would like to explain you about the title, authors, institution, and publisher of the article. The article was written by Oumaima Slimi from Hinjir Institute of Sport and Physical Education, Oxford University of Sfax, Tunisia. Santo Marsigliante from Department of Biological and Environmental Sciences and Technologies, GSDBA, University of Salento, Lecce, Italy. Vito Giardo from Department of Biological and Environmental Sciences and Technologies, University of Salento, Lecce, Italy. Mourad Balor from Hinjir Institute of Education and Continuing Training, Virtual University of Tunis, Tunisia. Okbazelmi from Hinjir Institute of Business Administration, Oxford University of Sfax, Tunisia. Nidal Jebabli and Antonella Moscella from Hinjir Institute of Sport and Physical Education of KF University of Cordova, KF, Tunisia. Next slide. This article was published by Frontiers in Physiology. Well, there's short information about the title, authors, institution, and publisher of the article. The following information will be presented by presenter 2 for Puspa. Time is yours.
Hello guys, are you okay? Well, now I'm going to explain you about volume and date of publication, purpose and method of the study. The article was published on 31 May 2023, volume 14, number 100426. Next slide. The study entitled is "The Effect of Adapted Physical Education Session on the Empathy of Female Student with Overweight." The study aimed to analyze the effect of adapting PE session on the empathic capacity of overweight adolescent girls during a cycle of adapted basketball. Next slide. In this study, the research used randomized control trial or RCT. Well, that's short information about volume and date of publication and purpose of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 3 for Ferdi Ramadhani. Time is yours.
Well, happy brother and sister, are you still with me? Now I am going to explain you about the population sample and technique of collecting and analyzing the data. This study population and sample is 42 girls with overweight age 16 9 plus minus 0 85 years age 164 plus minus 0 67 meter weight 7302 plus minus 061 kilogram. EMI 3 27 15 plus minus 1 37 volunteered to participate in the study and were randomly assigned to the experimental group AGN together with 21 and control group JGN together with 21. The data were collected and analyzed by using the empathy test, contact empathy, speaking with emotions is a quantity previously validated by Will Safety at I 2006, allowing to between empathy and emotional contaction, but also to contract them with splitting with emotion. At 2006, the empathy test questionnaire used to measure number one, emotional contaction, number two, empathy, number three, emotional sprinting. Physical fitness to get information regarding the improvement and the participation completed before and after the interference test have been currently used similar student. Well, that's all information about the population and sample technique way of collecting and analyzing the data of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter for Dharma Wijaksono, the H.R.
Well, happy brother and sister, is everything okay? Now, I am going to explain you about the results and finding of the study. The result and finding of the study show that physical fitness consistently with a random assignment of studying to experimental and control group. No significant difference between groups were found in mean value for weight, age, and PME be more than 0.05 Bryman Whitney test. After 7 weeks of intervention, the distance converted during the standing long jump tests were similar between CG and EG be more than 0.05. Furthermore, the number of sit-up and push-up performed by the EG in 1 minute was the same as that of the CG level 2 be more than 0.05. Finally, maximal aerobic velocity value were also similar for EG and CG, more than 0.05. In conclusion, regarding physical fitness, no significant difference were identified between the EG and CG before and after intervention, more than 0.05 level 2. The emotional contagion, empathy, and emotional splitting, the level of emotional contagion was significantly higher after the adapted basketball intervention, more than 0.466. In the EG will no significant difference was recorded in the CG in the level of emotional contagion between before and after the intervention together with 0045. Well, that's short information about the result and finding of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 5 for Justia Octavia. Time is yours.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to explain you about the conclusions of study. This study concludes that, unfortunately, in many countries, the conventional physical education program and the outdated teacher curriculum consider the physical condition and physical social limitations. e.g. empathic capacity of students with obesity. We have here highlighted how adapted PE session closely correlate with the development of empathic capacity as evidenced by increased emotional contagion and decreased spreading emotion in adolescents grow with overweight. This result can be used by all teachers who already play an important role in adapted physical education sessions to enable overweight students to show more empathy. It is therefore hoped to include students with obesity in adequate and adapted exercise to obtain better results. To summarize, this teaching learning intervention based on a basketball adaptation could be an effective strategy to allow integration into PE session of students with overweight. Well, that's short information about the conclusions of study. That's the presentation of the article review from presenters. For moderator, Novem, time is yours.
Well, thanks for all presenters. That's our presentation today about article review on the effects of adapted physical education session on the empathy of female student with overweight. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Recording stopped.